Hi there, and welcome back to the channel Hourglass of Wine. Today is a little bit of a different video. We're not focusing on wine education, but rather we're focusing a little bit on the faces behind the channel. It's been a year since we have started regularly uploading here, and a year since we've posted our video An American in Langhe, which talked a little bit about my journey into the world of wine and how I moved from California to Italy, where I live now. So given that it's been a year, it seems more than apropos to go a little bit more into who we are behind the channel. And now a little bit more information about me, Jacqueline. I am an American and I grew up in California, but I moved here to Italy well over 10 years ago for work. That work was as a cook, where I worked in a restaurant for over 10 years, and now I have moved into the world of wine. I found that passion through, of course, being immersed here in the beautiful vineyards of the Langhe, but also through studying with ICE, the Association of Italian Sommeliers, and WSET, where I did levels 2 and 3. And now I work full-time in the world of wine. I work on one hand digitally for an American importer that specializes in small production wines and bringing them over for discovery in the US. And on the other hand, I work for a local winery where I handle their back office and tastings. Here on the channel, Hourglass of Wine, I obviously handle the presentation, but I also work on our social media and website as well. Of course, things like scripting and strategic planning and research is handled by us as a team. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the rest of the team, or rather the other half of the channel, my husband, Andrea.
Hello, I'm Andrea. I'm Jackie's husband. As Jacqueline said, I'm the other half of the channel and I handle basically the tech stuff behind it, so the lighting, the editing, the filming and all of that. Contrary to Jackie, I am not a wine professional. I actually work at the legal office of a bank, but I'm very passionate about wine. We actually discovered passion for wine together by taking courses. Like I took all the courses she mentioned earlier, so the WSETs, level 2 and 3, and I'm a certified sommelier for the Association of Italian Sommeliers here in Italy.
As you can see, this channel, Hourglass of Wine, is actually a couple's project between a husband and wife. We started this channel as a way to give meaning to our mutual love of wine and to this new hobby that we had discovered, which was learning about wine. The husband and wife titles are relatively new. We just got married a few months ago. Actually, we just got back from our honeymoon recently, and while it wasn't wine-centered, it actually involved a lot of wine. We took a transatlantic cruise on the last transatlantic ocean liner in the world, the Queen Mary 2, where we got to eat and drink our way across the Atlantic Ocean.
And we're telling you this because we will, of course, release some videos about our whole experience and our wine journey on the cruise, so stay tuned. This brings us to the future of the channel, and that's actually the purpose of this video. This is why we wanted to film this.
So you may have noticed that we have moved to a weekly upload schedule. So from September onward, we are going to be trying to upload every Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Pacific time or 4:30 p.m. here in Italy on European time.
Keep in mind, as we told you earlier, that we both have full-time jobs, so we try our best, but we cannot guarantee to keep up with the schedule.
That's true. Of course, now would be a good time to follow us over on Instagram at hourglass.wine. I'll have it linked below, because if we ever have to skip a video or we have a late video, I will be posting over there to let you guys know.
Our main focus will continue to be wine education for all levels of wine lovers and sommeliers and beginners as well.
So that means you can expect more videos on grape varieties, on wine regions, and some more WSET study guides thrown in there. We also really want to start focusing more on some wine tastings and bringing those to you guys as well. And we actually have noticed that you guys really seem to like the quiz videos, which is really cool. We uploaded those as for just fun to kind of see how they went, and it seems like you guys like them. So we have a lot more quiz ideas coming to you in the future. And of course, let us know in the comments below if there's any topics that you want to see covered specifically, things that you want to see us talk about, or research for you guys. And lastly, of course, we are going to keep traveling. We love to travel, and wine is a great reason to travel, to experience everything in loco. So we're going to be doing lots more traveling to bring you guys fresh videos from the actual vineyards and locations. As a side note, I've been thinking about busting out my apron and knives again. So if you guys would be interested in seeing some recipes, cooking, pairing videos, let us know in the comments and we'll see if we can start working those into the scheduling. Overall, we are just really excited about this new chapter of our lives, both privately as husband and wife, but also for the channel with our regular uploads that give us even more of an opportunity for wine exploration.
And of course, we wanted to take this opportunity to thank you all for your support so far and for watching this video as well.
So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. It really helps to support the channel and it helps you to stay on top of any new videos that we release.
We are really looking forward to see you guys in future videos, so stay tuned and we'll see you there.